we're gonna show you how to take off the door panel. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect the battery and we're gonna leave the window up, but just make sure not to slam the door or anything like that because the window mechanism will not be going up with the battery disconnected. All right, pop this panel right here. Then we're gonna get a 10mm socket. We've got the negative terminal. Just gonna loosen it. We're gonna pop it up. I like to put a sock just so it doesn't make contact again. Just like that. Boop. You set this like this. We're gonna gently set the hood down. You're gonna need some trim tools. If they're new, you most likely won't need to put tape on them. If they're older and they have like little edges or they're scarred or anything like that, you're gonna have to put some tape on them because we don't wanna hurt our door panel. Okay, so we have a trim tool. We're gonna put it behind this bad boy and we're gonna push out. As you saw, we got one tab out. Got another one. So this one right here has to slide out to the right and it comes out like this. We have two screws. We have one right here and then one down here. I'm gonna use my screwdriver. I'm gonna remove them. Pretty easy stuff. It's got a washer as well, don't lose that. All right, I think we have our washer in here we have to get. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pop our tweeter off. Really easy to do. Pops off and then we're gonna disconnect it, push it in and pull out and it's out. All right, so this is actually a trim piece and what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to screw it out as much as you can, grab it, and then there's one more part. There's a part right here that comes out. If you see it, make sure that it stays in there and that's out. Okay, we're now gonna pry the door panel. I've got my tool. I'm gonna start right here. The manual states to start around here, but this is where I can stick mine in. And I first heard the first pop, and then you're gonna glide it down. We're gonna get just like that. Once you get the bottom part open, you could use your hand to pop them off. All the way around. And the manual says that you're supposed to replace them, but we're not gonna do that. Okay, so we got them loose. Now we're gonna come around. And then, just like most door panels, this slides up and over, but we've got a ton of harnesses we need to detach. Okay, we're now gonna take the panel and we're gonna go up because we have to go over this lip, like that. You have to do this for both sides. So once you've got that loose, you're gonna go around the handle like I did, and then you've got to hold it, and then you have some connectors you've got to take out. And these connectors are also attached via like a bracket. And then we have a light down here. Boop. All right, guys, check this out. You see this little connector right here? It pulls it to that direction, then you pull that out. So I'm using my trim tool, and I took it off, and I didn't break it because I pushed down on it, and I was able to save it. And our panel's off. Woohoo! And we're done. I highly recommend that you guys take your time, remember how things are removed so you could put them back in the correct order. Well, I hope this video is gonna help someone in the future. Please press the like button for us. We appreciate that. You guys take care. Good luck, and we'll talk to you soon.